hum along. Jingly, jingly, a little song. The cat sat on the sunny mat. Swish, swish went her striped tail flat. Her eyes like moons, they watched the door. What's she waiting for?
What's she waiting for?
She stretched her paws, she gave a yawn. Her fur as soft as early dawn. A bird flew by, she gave a leap, but she missed and landed in a heap. The cat rolled round in a patch of sun, purring low like a happy hum. Her whiskers twitched, her ears stood tall. The queen of the house, she rules it all. At night she dreams beneath the stars of chasing mice and climbing bars. The cat's meow, it fills the air, a tiny tiger without a care.